Hello, everybody, distinguished guests and colleagues and dear friends also. I am very pleased to see you all gathered for this conference, which will take us to the frontiers of technological developments in the financial sector. And I'm especially happy to host you here in this beautiful place. As a regulator, I must be honest, so these are not the premises of the French market regulator, unfortunately. It's the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and we are delighted that they offered us the opportunity to hold a conference here. I think everybody is happy to see such beautiful surrounding that was conceived before artificial intelligence, and so we will probably do better in the future, but it was not bad in the past either. I would also like to thank all the participants, some of them are already here, who have kindly agreed to take part in this conference, some coming from very far. And I would also like to thank our partner for this event, the think tank Association Europe Finance Régulation, AEFR, chaired by Pervenche Berès, who is here in the front row. I would also like to use these few minutes to warmly thank my team. I can't see them. They are probably still busy somewhere, but some of them are around, because the IMF team has, with AEFR, done a tremendous job in organizing this event. And I would like to tell them simply that I'm very proud of them. This conference brings together various types of participants to discuss two major technological frontiers: artificial intelligence, as well as quantum computing and cyber resilience. Both have the potential to reshape the way financial markets are operating, but also the way regulators are fulfilling their mandates. These technologies hold enormous promises: more efficient processes, deeper analytical capacity, new opportunities for investors. Yet, obviously, they also present challenges to financial risks, to market integrity, and for investor protection. It is precisely this interplay of opportunities and challenges that bring us together today. We will hear very different perspectives: academics, consultants, market practitioners, as well as representatives from the regulatory universe. It is extremely important for us market regulators to engage in such open discussions with full openness. That is the core principle of this conference, bringing together market regulators from across the globe, and I warmly thank my colleagues who have come to Paris for this conference, leading financial institutions, as well as technology specialists from both the academia and the private sector. Hence, the organization of this conference with specialists panels, followed by discussions by market supervisors. I hope that today's discussions will enrich our understanding, enlarge our horizons, and leave us with a better view on how technological developments can impact markets and supervision. First frontiers that we will look at, artificial intelligence. It's certainly the most explored, but it is evolving so rapidly that we need to review it on a regular basis. It's not a theoretical subject. We already had the chance to explore its disruptive potential during the joint conference organized in the spring in Washington by the IMF and IOSCO, the Organization of Market Regulators, and start to look at how it's transforming capital markets and impacting financial stability. Indeed, the use cases in the financial sector are developing rapidly. We will hear from that in a minute. And obviously, we need to keep knowing what is going on and anticipating, which is one of the objectives of this conference. As securities regulators, we also are AI users. This will be one of the aspects that we will discuss this afternoon. The Subtech network of IOSCO, chaired by your Swiss colleague, Marlene Armstadt, is regularly updating us on how colleagues and ourselves are using AI. One word very rapidly about the French IMF. On that point, we took the first steps in 2018 with a market surveillance platform, which then developed into a comprehensive data strategy for all our activities. In 2025, which is quite an important year for AI, we took a first step by publishing the results of our AI experiments in automated processing of regulatory reportings, including sustainable finance reportings, which is a new area for European regulators right now. And this work confirmed that AI can dramatically improve our efficiency as supervisors. We are, on this basis, currently developing our artificial intelligence roadmap to structure our governance and our actions in this field. We also have launched this year a survey to map the current penetration of AI within the French financial sector. This will provide us with a granular insight into the use of AI by financial firms and a better understanding of the challenges that we may face collectively, both as market users and regulators, and some of the new features of AI. Our second subject, quantum computing, which will be discussed today in relation with cybersecurity, may probably have been less discussed so far in our regulatory groups. Yet, its disruptive potential is considerable, and we found it useful to make this deep dive into this new area of technological developments. It could revolutionize risk modeling and analysis and portfolio optimization. It could also present a new threat for current cryptographic protocols and expose financial infrastructures to unprecedented vulnerabilities. Therefore, we have also to prepare for these new developments. Cyber resilience stands at the crossroads of major technological transformations and is closely linked to the emergence of quantum computing. Operational and cyber risks are rising in all institution heat maps, be they private or public, including our 2025 Markets and Risks Outlook. In Europe, cyber resilience is now the subject of a new piece of regulation, the European Regulation on Digital Operational Resilience in the Financial Sector, DORA, which has just entered into force this year and creates a common framework for managing and supervising risks related to information and communication technologies. It's a very important new development. It's placing cyber risk at the same level as scrutiny as financial risk, and it is creating a new role for regulators. We are prepared for this. We have trained our staff, and it is one of the major developments in our regulatory framework. We have also accompanied the industry in preparing for these new requirements. In a nutshell, the topics that will be addressed today are key new frontiers for our mission as securities market regulators and also for market participants. Of course, these challenges transcend borders. They are global by nature and demand global solutions. That is the reason why we are supporting the work conducted in the IOSCO framework, gathering all market regulators, and we will have the opportunity to listen to the views of its chair a little bit later in the afternoon, Jean-Paul Servet, but also those of several market regulators from several large jurisdictions. This is a really unique opportunity, and I'm very proud to host it here in Paris and very thankful to my colleagues for making these exchanges possible. Now, let me please, I think they are all there, so let me please hand the floor to our first panel on the opportunities and challenges of artificial intelligence in the financial sector. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish us all a very stimulating and fruitful conference. Thank you.